The concept of regular exercise as a means to enhance one's health didn't gain mainstream recognition until the mid-20th century. In 1949, epidemiologist Jerry Morris played a pivotal role in shedding light on the relationship between cardiovascular health and physical activity. His groundbreaking studies, conducted in London, compared the health of bus drivers who spent long hours sitting and often suffered from heart and lung conditions with that of postal workers who biked or walked while delivering mail. These findings were published in 1953, marking a significant milestone in the understanding of exercise's health benefits. Around the same time, the invention of the treadmill added another dimension to the world of exercise. Initially designed for medical testing by doctors, it soon found its way into the prison system, providing daily movement for inmates confined to their cells for extended periods. As the 1960s rolled in, treadmills began to be marketed for home use, making exercise more accessible to the general population. The 1960s saw a surge in organized physical fitness activities, largely propelled by Morris's studies. In 1968, Kenneth Cooper published the influential book, Aerobics, which further ignited public interest in regular exercise. Fad diets and exercise routines proliferated, giving rise to a new fitness craze. Today, exercise is universally recognized as an essential component of a healthy and productive lifestyle. Extensive research continues to unveil a growing list of health benefits associated with regular physical activity, while endorsements from medical experts and celebrities alike have cemented exercise as an integral part of daily life for many. Ironically, despite the myriad technological advancements that have made our lives more convenient, we've inadvertently curtailed our natural avenues for physical activity. Even with the prevalence of health clubs, exercise trends, home fitness equipment, and specialized children's programs, obesity rates have surged compared to a century ago. Our modern lifestyles often involve prolonged periods of sitting and reduced physical exertion, underscoring the importance of prioritizing exercise in an era of convenience.